In today's video, I'll show you how to add recommended products on Shopify using the Essential Upsell and Cross-sell app. Once the app is installed from the Shopify marketplace, open it and click Create Offer. Next, you'll see two placement options, Product and Cart pages. I'll be demonstrating with the Product page, but the setup is the same for the Cart page, so feel free to choose the option that best suits your needs. Starting in the Content tab, we'll begin by selecting the offer type. Since we're adding recommended products, we'll stick to the cross-sell option. The offer name field lets you label this upsell funnel for easy reference. It's visible only to you, so you can keep it simple. In the Content tab, you can adjust the title text which appears above the app block. Button text could also be changed. Once you're satisfied with these adjustments, let's continue to the Offer section. Here, you can define the conditions that will trigger your upsell. You can choose to display it on all products, specific products, or items in specific collections. For this example, I'll select all products. Next, pick the products to upsell. This can be specific items to meet your goals or frequently bought together recommendations suggested by Shopify's Search and Discovery app. The final offer function feature allows you to automatically apply a discount to the upselled items. You can set this as a percentage or a fixed amount and adjust the value to your preference. When you're finished here, let's move on to the Design section. In the Design section, you'll have extensive customization options to tailor the upsell to your store's look and feel. You can choose one of our pre-designed templates or fully customize the app to suit your brand. Whether building the design from scratch or tweaking a template, it's all here. The Design section is modular, allowing adjustments to the card design such as spacing, border size, and color. Typography settings let you adjust the font if you prefer not to use your theme's default, and customize the font sizes and colors for different elements. You can also personalize button and icons colors. I'm happy with the pre-designed template, so I'll move straight to the Placement section. In Placement, all that's needed is to click Publish, which also saves your changes. Once published, you can preview it on your store by clicking this button. If you would like to reposition the upsell on your product page, go back to the app, open the Placement tab, and click the Reposition with App Block button. This opens your theme editor, where you can simply drag and drop the app block from the left panel to adjust its position. Thank you for watching. If you run into any issues, feel free to reach out. We're here to help right away.